Nick begs I'm too shy.
Well, the thing was that the bass line and the melody, da, 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 da. I was sitting down and I thought, I like this bass line. What can I do with it? And actually the song was two separate songs. Started to be chopped them in half and stuck them together. What we do is we work on a song and we'll say that bridge is not strong enough, or that chorus is lacking in something. You can tell, I guess it's just through experience or intuition or something, you just know instinctively that something's not right about it. I was experimenting just recently playing like two lines, two separate rhythms on the same instrument, and sort of like thing you do on a Chapman stick, you know? Sort of like
Steve Askew on Ebows and Echoes.
The Ebow, well, I use it on two shy and on some stuff. I think this is the right setting. So I've got this sort of sound, it's quite ear piercing. Also, I'm using this E1010 Echo, which is really good because it's really fast. You haven't got to worry about tapes and things. For voice and certain keyboards, probably the 555 that Stuart uses is better. But for guitar, this is quite adequate for me.
Jez Strode on the Movement drum machine.
Basically, like patch 1, I have 14 different sounds there, and I can have any of those numbers on any of the 8 pads. I've got 8 pads, and like pad 1 is sound 1, so the bass drum triggers sound 1 there, and so on. So I can change that. I can go into that one by unlocking it there and clarifying it's 1. Then it goes change pad 1. I'll change pad 1 to say sound 2, which is the snare. So it's the sound 2, and then enter, and then lock it up again, and select 1, and now I've got 2 on that. So when I hit the bass drum, I've got the snare. So it's very handy between songs to just say, right, song 1 is that one, song 2 is like that, and then they change again. And you just press one button and you've got like different sounds on all the pads or whatever you want. So it's very versatile in that respect. It's just noise sounds that come from Simmons I've got in there. And that's basically all I'm using at the moment. But I'm going into the studio to record 3 really good toms, and I'm going to put those in as well. So I have 3 real toms up.
Stuart Neale on the Jupiter 8.
The Jupiter's a great instrument, I really like it. I mean, it's so well used now, it's like, you know, family entertainment.
What are the other sort of sounds that you'd
what on this? As I say, it varies from short attack ones, sort of, I mean, I'll just go through if you like. I'll show you some basic ones that I've got. You can get some nice stringy sort of sounds on it. One thing I like as well is splitting the oscillators so that you can get a tuning within a chord, like a fifth. I really like that sort of effect, and I'm going to do a lot more with that actually, if I can, incorporate into this, because you can get a different sound on it. Of course, there's the old. It's nice. It's got a very nice tone to it. You know, which I use on a couple of slow attack sounds. I've got like what I do now is dump all. I've got different settings dumped onto tape, which is very handy for me because I find the instrument still I like using it. I haven't gone off it at all.